Hi, we're Pablo AIr. We are a developer of autonomous drone swarming technology, and we are a company based out of South Korea, and we do have a subsidiary in the US. Um, One of the applications that we have developed and commercialized is a drone show, which a lot of you have already seen, in the Olympics, these huge international events. And this model that you see here, Pablo X F40, this is our flagship model. It's able to do both LED lighting using this panel here, and it also is compatible with these pyro brackets, so it's able to do mini fireworks in the sky, so it's really cool. We actually did our first US show a few days ago at Big Bear, and we are planning on doing another show tomorrow, so that's September 6th, I believe, at the Dodger Stadium for LA Dodgers. So we are focusing a lot on the West Coast right now, but by next year, so 2025, we are planning on expanding our operation nationwide to cover all of the US and also cover Canada and Europe.